me show you how to get 4,000 watch hours in the next 24 hours. Is it possible? Yes. If you have 500 people watch your videos for 8 hours each, you will get 4,000 watch hours in the next 8 hours. So in this video, I am not just going to tell you how you can do it. I want to help you achieve it. Now, this is not for everybody. It's only for those few people who want to get monetized. So why am I doing this? I searched Google a few minutes ago how many percentage of YouTube channels get 4,000 watch hours, and guess the shocking result, only 3%. There are about 114 million channels on YouTube right now, and only 3% get 4,000 watch hours and get monetized. So when I saw it, I was like, what is the essence of being a big YouTuber if not to help small channels? And that's exactly what I want to do in this video. This is for only those people that are really interested in getting 4,000 watch hours and you're willing to put in the work to get it. Why I'm actually doing this is because I understand that if your channel is monetized, even if your videos make only $1 a day, the joy that at the end of the day, YouTube is going to send you $1 will keep you motivated and make you even make more videos. So some small channels have been on this platform for the past 3 years, 4 years, creating content, but nothing is happening. You're not getting views, you're not getting subscribers, your channel is not even monetized, and you're almost giving up. That's exactly what I'm doing this because I believe that we rise by lifting others. So this video, I'm going to show you 2 strategies you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours really fast. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can join these few select people that I'm going to help to get their 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible. So let's get into it. Getting 4,000 watch hours is actually one of the hardest part of growing a YouTube channel. Some people get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers, but the watch hour is not coming. Now, if this is you, this is exactly what you're going to do. Whether you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers or not, and you are ready to get monetized on YouTube. So I'm going to share 2 quick strategies you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours. The first one is something you may have heard before, but I'm going to show you one smart way you can actually use it. This will help you start getting more views that will lead to watch hours. Then the second strategy is just that hack that can actually help you get 4,000 watch hours in 24 hours. And like I said, I am not just going to show you how. I am actually here to help you get it. Only those of you that are willing to take action. So this is the first strategy, using short videos. When you upload your short videos, you are going to connect or link long video you just uploaded right now to that video. And not only that, you are going to go to your past short videos that are already doing well. Whether these past short videos are related to this long video you just uploaded or not, is not important. What is important is that we want to use those short videos that are still getting views to drive massive traffic to this long video you just uploaded. You're going to go to your 5 or 10 short videos that are still getting a lot of views, and you are going to link those short videos to this long video, which means those people who are going to watch these short videos you uploaded in the past are simply going to be directed, the traffic is going to be directed to the long video, and that's how you are going to start getting a lot of views on this your latest long video. And there's something about getting views on a new video. When you start getting a lot of views on a new video, YouTube algorithm will be triggered. So YouTube algorithm is most likely going to pick that video and promote it. You already know that the more views you get on video, the higher the watch hours you get. This strategy I just shared with you right now, big creators like Mr. Beast are using it to promote their latest video. The second strategy that is guaranteed to get you 4,000 watch hours in the next 24 hours, if you follow the guide, is to stream your videos. So streaming your videos is basically watching your videos for as long as possible. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to create a playlist where you have list of long videos you've uploaded in the past, all in this playlist. Now start streaming the playlist. So these long videos put together might get you like 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 3 hours. That is to say, when you stream that playlist, in the next 1 hour, all the videos are playing one after the other. So imagine you have like 2 hours long video on that playlist and you are streaming the playlist. If you do this for just 8 hours in a day, you are getting about 16 hours from just one gadget. Now, the best way to do this would be not just do it yourself, but get people who truly care about your growth, your family, your friends, and other creators who are very intentional, help you get these 4,000 watch hours. So if you're a small creator, you are making valuable videos, but you're not getting the watch hours, people are not watching your videos. This is one smart way to introduce your content to people who are going to not just watch it, but gain value in this video. Now, let me know in the comment section, have you gotten your 4,000 watch hours? If you've not gotten your 4,000 watch hours, drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to help you do this. Just wait to the end and I show you exactly how I can help you achieve your 4,000 watch hours very fast. So when you connect with 500 people who truly care, who genuinely care about helping you to grow your YouTube channel, know about you, watch your videos, stream your videos in the playlist, while they gain value, they are also giving you the watch hours. Imagine they do it for only 8 hours. Each and every one of them giving you 8 hours. That means in the next 24 hours, you have completed your watch hours. And now, because they love and care about you growing your YouTube channel, you also have to reciprocate this love and care. And that's how you're also going to help them achieve this goal. Imagine just 500 of us here are able to get into this and get this done. That means in the next 2 weeks, about 500 channels will be monetized. This is exactly what I want to help you achieve, because I actually want as many YouTubers who watch my videos to grow their channel, get monetized, get to a stage you also start making money from YouTube. So I've seen a lot of creators grow their YouTube channel and get monetized using this strategy. Now, heads up, personally, I'd never used this. So I've always done it the normal way of creating a YouTube channel, making videos, and people watch the video, enjoy the value, subscribe, and then I get my 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. This doesn't reduce those channels who got their channel monetized this way. It does not make them less of valuable content, because the truth is there are some channels that are giving a lot of value, but for one reason or the other, their channels are not seen, are not known, they are not getting views. So this will not only help you get 4,000 watch hours, but it will also help you connect with other small channels, build relationship, connect, network, and before you know it, something amazing might come out of this work relationship. So this is what I want to help you do. If you've not gotten your 4,000 watch hours, you are really keen on getting 4,000 watch hours, and you are an honest person who really wants to grow, get what you want, and help others to get what they want, I need you to go to the comment section right now and drop a comment. If I get up to 100 comments, I'm going to create a Telegram group where I will admit only 500 small channels who are very honest and very committed to growing their channels and getting monetized. And for the next 3 months, we're going to help each and every one of you in this Telegram group grow your channel, get monetized, and even subscribers. Like, get your 1,000 subscribers and get your 4,000 watch hours. Everything is purely done to help you grow and get monetized. We are going to do it together with love and support. This is what you're going to do right now to join this Telegram group for 4,000 watch hours. Go to the comment section and declare your interest and your willingness to get this done in an honest way. If I get up to 100 comments who are interested, in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do it and then give you the link to join this Telegram group. My goal is to help at least 500 small channels get 4,000 watch hours, get monetized, and start making money on a daily basis from your videos. This is me coming out to help you achieve your goal. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video.